What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog here. So for today's video, we have Mr. Aman here, good friend of mine. So we are going with what exhaust is this?
MXS CM Comp.
MXS CM Comp. He got a pretty good deal in one of our friend in a group chat. He got this from Tyler. We're gonna try to put this in and also disable his fake engine noise. So first things first, if you don't have a plastic tool removal or any prior, whatever you guys call it, you can get yourself a butter knife and a clean rag. And then, do you mind showing them here? You can see this little plastic trim. Let's get that lighting fixed. You can see this little plastic trim here. What you will do is pry it up like so. So this rag helps to not scratch your plastic trim. Just like that. When you have access, you can put it out. And you have your thing, your cover out without damage or scratch. Now, the next part will be trying to access that little plug right there. Now, I hope you're getting a better view. We're trying very hard for you guys. This one, as you can see, there is a white plug. You just have to unplug it. It's pretty easy if you have a tiny hands like me. This is the Akrapovic exhaust, guys, with the red carbon fiber cover. And we are not sure what is this. So if you guys know what is this, please comment down below. I think it's kind of like rust or whatever. But I'm not really sure what it is. Again, I got this use from our buddies in the group chat. And he got this for a pretty good deal. Exhaust is fine, no holes whatsoever. I think this is pure stainless. So yeah, we're gonna jack it up. First things first, make sure that you have a car that is cold or not been started for quite a while. And then get your floor jack ready. Place it underneath. Can you show them? Place it underneath. Make sure that you're in the center of that rear axle. So just making sure before I jack it up. Okay. Now, before that, you have to make sure that you have a jack stand prior on jacking your car, which we have right here. We're gonna prepare it right before we jack up the car, just to be on the safe side. One is here and one is here. Okay, now I have Aman crawling underneath. I did remove the other bolt on the other side of the exhaust, but I'm here just to teach him on how to do that as well. See that one with the spring?
This one, right?
No, that one is done.
This one?
Yeah. Oh, no, you're right. The other side?
Yeah.
Don't press the gun yet, okay?
Yeah.
Be careful with the gun, you might hurt your fingers. Now you have to make sure that you have this on the other side. That's stopping it. Uh, put the gun first in the ground. Don't have enough power. Now I'm gonna go underneath so I can see. Now just let off that wrench. You don't need to hold it yet. I just did it like a flash because I'm used to it.
This is good.
Can I see? Okay, press it. Come off, right?
Yeah, it came out.
All right. You're in the camera, man. Go.
Should press on this side too.
Go on the other side now. Watch it. It's gonna.
Yeah.
You're gonna get.
Just
that
on
thing.
this, right?
Yeah, metal piece. Make sure it's going inside. Press it. Like real good.
Yeah.
Cause it's rusty. Go to the other side. Be mad, otherwise you won't remove your exhaust.
There we go.
Did it pop up?
Yeah.
Like all the way out?
A little bit off.
Has to be all the way out.
It's like so. Yeah.
Then you need more WD.
I think it's right there. Yeah.
It's up?
Yeah, I can push it off. Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Don't hurt your fingers. It's hard rubber. You want to use WD?
Actually, well, I think I can get out. It's like really.
Okay, cool. You're cool. You're the one feeling it.
Yeah, there you go.
See, I told you it's gonna fall. No, wrong side.
Just push it.
Yeah. Let me teach you. Work smart, not hard. See this? Go like that.
Oh.
Work smart, not hard. Okay?
Okay.
Hold this. Use the leverage. Use this one. Okay? Okay, I'm holding your exhaust. Don't be mad. Otherwise, you'll stay here forever. Stop. Almost. It's up. It's up. It's up. It's almost falling. Now, after removing that, you have to remove the inner one here too. See it?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, you can do this alone. It is very easy to do it alone. All you need to do is press the jack. If you have one-man power, it is still doable to do your exhaust alone. Okay.
Pull them out.
Yeah, pull it out. More WD?
Yeah, I think so.
Here. We're not gonna show you where to press the WD. Pretty sure you get the idea. Huh?
Something's stopping me, I think.
Let me do it. Want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. This side is off. Ready.
There we go.
We're done. You got no exhaust, bro.
Exhaust delete.
This is exhaust. He's exhaust. for how many kilometers now?
Like 16.
60K? 60K. So your exhaust compared to this one, show them the difference. So from this to this. So we're down to last two exhaust hanger. Only one left. Want me to push it up?
Yeah.
Yeah? Push it up? You play with the hangers, okay?
A little bit up. So much there.
More?
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
Send?
Yeah, there we go. It's all the way.
Okay. Now you have to check if they're like inside like this.
Yeah.
You have to see like kind of like the head is out.
Yeah.
Check all the sides, like 4 sides. No, even this side too. Check this side. This side is good.
Yep.
Okay, check that side. That's your safety, okay? It's on you. You're in the camera.
Yeah. Actually, should there be a gap between the head or?
No.
Okay.
You can put a little gap, but it's fine as long as you see the head is out.
Oh yeah.
And it won't come out.
Yeah.
Check that 4 side. 4 side. You have 4 side there, 4 side here.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
The head should be like out.
Yep, it's out.
It's out?
Yep.
Now check this side. I wanted you to double check. All 4 heads should be out.
These two good. Yeah, these two good.
That's good?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Now you have to put the other one. Let me
This
know
one,
if you need, yeah, the one in the center.
All right.
Let me know if you need the WD.
Okay.
You need WD?
I don't think so.
Okay, cool. WD? No.
No, it's in.
It's in?
Yeah.
And the head is out?
Yeah, I can see the head.
Including the chassis that's holding it? The head is out?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, it's on you.
Yeah.
See this one, guys? I really like the Akrapovic exhaust because it fits like a glove in here. And you don't need to like use brute force by putting the exhaust. The only downside about this for me, in my own opinion, is the weight. Other than that, I like the fitment a lot. Fitment is on point, guys. Okay. We're almost done, guys. I'm gonna just tighten up the bolts. Make sure that everything is bolted up. Did you check your U-joint? The U-joint?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Yeah.
Give it one more.
Now I wanted you to feel it because you have to feel it. Has to be the same tightness. Here we go, man. First start. Cold start. No air? Yeah? No. When you rev it, it's gonna push air out. And that way you know there's a leak or not.
No, I think it's good.
Drop it. Look at those steps, bro. It's good. Good looking one. I think we got this a little bit sideways. Look. You wanted it like that?
Yeah, it's okay, yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Cool. So we're done installing his exhaust. We haven't finished up with this fake engine noise sound. So you can still hear it with his back seat folded. So it's kind of loud. But what can you say about your exhaust?
Pretty good.
Like it?
Yeah, better than OEM.
Yeah. very OEM plus. We really like this Akrapovic. So we're at 2000 RPM. Let me guys know what you think about this exhaust. So far, I really like how the flanges fit in this car. No hard time installing it, including how the exhaust hanger sits. They put a lot of research and development into this. I just wish that they have a titanium version option. Overall, pretty easy installation. So I did it, guys. I just pushed this tab here. As you can see here, I just push that tab, and then I use my other finger to pull it down. Now this fake engine noise is off. So yeah, basically you have to push this tab here and then pull it down. Now we can put the cover back, and you will not gonna be able to hear that fake engine noise sound anymore. Just like that, like nothing happened. So this is with the fake engine noise off. We unplug that thing, like the module for fake engine noise sound. This is how it sounds like with the back seat closed, fully closed, and windows rolled up. Again, this is dual exhaust from Akrapovic. Is that right? Yeah. And we are in automatic GR86, running third gear, 4K, 3K. Sounds nice, eh?
Yeah.
Way nicer than I thought. Yeah. That's how it sounds like, guys. If you're looking to buy an exhaust, feel free to check my exhaust list in my YouTube video. Later, bro.
Thanks. Thanks again,
Yeah.
bro.
Drive safe. I hope this video helped you. If I do, please hit like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Let me know what's your thoughts in this exhaust or any other installations. Any comments are free. Just comment down below. See ya.